as you mentioned PDI, so how much thing with respect to FSM or field services available on PDI? If let's say I'm interested in doing on learning PDI, so is it completely available in PDI?
Yes, I mean, all you have to do is just download the demo data once you're installing the plugin, right?
Okay.
So I use the simulator provided in the course itself. You get the simulator, right? So I use that. So I already had the demo data downloaded. But if you want to do it in your PDI, just get the field service management plugin installed. Along with that, just install the demo data and you're good to go. So
Okay.
I didn't have the opportunity to work on field service for a client, so I created a demo project. So this water
Okay.
purifier that I'm talking about. So I considered a water purifier company. I will not take the
Okay.
name here, but yeah,
No, no,
consider
no, that's
it
okay.
to be consider it to be a water purifier company, and you can basically. So when you're learning the course, I mean, obviously you go through each scenarios. Just implement it on your PDR. It's as simple as that. And FSM is the most practical module ever because you're going through it every single day, right?
Okay.
All
And
of us have appliances. All of us are ordering stuffs online. All of us are getting the stuff delivered. We want installations to be done, right?
right.
So, and even furniture delivery as well. So, delivery, dog walking. There's a lot of stuff with field service. So, yeah.
And we can say that FSM is right now is very initial stage. It will go a long
Right.
way, right?
So, right, because as I said, I haven't seen a lot of clients with FSM right now. So it's at the initial stage, let's say, and it is not really simple because see, for ITSM we have a ITIL process defined. We know where to go, where to look. FSM is not that. There is no certain
Okay.
process that you need to follow, right? So it's pretty vast, it's huge, and you basically can have a lot of new things, by yourself. Let's say you're exploring FSM and you realize, okay, this is something that is missing, right? You
Okay.
can reach out to ServiceNow, have your own patent. I don't know. I mean, there's a lot of things to go ahead with.
Okay, yeah, that's great news. Having patent, it means it is still designing in designing phase,
It
and
is,
we
it
have a
is,
lot
it is
to
designed.
innovate.
Yeah, it is designed. It is already designed, but yeah, there's a lot of innovation that can be done.